In this video, I will show you how to send an encrypted email in Gmail. To get started, come across to your Gmail, and then what you want to do is just click onto Compose and just write your message as normal. Now, once you've done that, to encrypt the email, if you come down to the bottom and instead of just clicking send, you want to click onto the icon down here. Sort of looks like a padlock and it says toggle confidential mode. Once you've done that, you're going to get a window come up saying confidential mode. As you can see, by enabling this, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download the email. Now you can set an expiry for this as well, so you can choose whether this email expires in 1 week, 1 day or any of the other options on here. So I'm going to set it to 1 day. Now there's also an option to add a passcode as well. So this is an SMS passcode, which means that basically the person you send this to will receive a SMS text message with a passcode to access the email, which of course adds further confidentiality and encryption to the email. So you can choose whether you want to enable that or not. Once that's done, just click on to save. And as you can see, we've now got information about what happens with this email and how the encryption is going to work. If you're happy with everything, just click on to send at the bottom. And as you can see, that's going to send a message through. What you can do is go into your sent folder at any point. If you do want to remove access to this email, maybe if you sent it by accident or something like that, you can click on to remove access. And as you can see, it's going to say content has expired, which means your recipients won't have the option to view this or forward it or basically do anything with the email. So that's how to send an encrypted email in Gmail. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.